say that when the moon is full, like it is tonight, Bigfoot will return and exact his revenge. Huh? What was that noise?
I needed to get that more underfence.
That sounded like screaming children, but it's not my birthday.
You guys crack me up.
Phineas, what are you talking about?
There's no Bigfoot. It's just ferb in the tree. Look, see? They're just dummies. Nice row skills, my friend.
Then who is this?
Ah, it's an inflatable ferb. Sounds like ferb, too. That was awesome. What was that? You better stay here while I investigate.